Dear students, let's see this question. A ball is projected from the ground at an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal surface. It reaches a maximum height of 120 meter and returns to the ground. Upon hitting the ground for the first time, it loses half of its kinetic energy immediately after the bounce. The velocity of the ball makes an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal surface. The maximum height it reaches after the bounce in meters is. So what he is asking here? He is asking that what will be the maximum height in the second case. Now we will see the question. In this, what he is given is a ball is projected from the ground at an angle of 45 degrees. A ball is projected from the ground at an angle of 45 degrees. It reaches a maximum height of 120 meter. It reaches a maximum height of 120 meter. Maximum height is given 120 meter is given. And returns to the ground. Upon hitting for the first time, it loses half of its kinetic energy. So at the point of hitting, it loses its half of its kinetic energy. So here kinetic energy, for example, I will write 2 is half of 1. Kinetic energy 2 is equal to initial kinetic energy by 2. Immediately after the bounce, the velocity of the ball makes an angle of 30 degrees. So at this point, again with this energy, whatever the energy is having, with this energy again it starts bouncing and it makes an angle of 30 degrees. So here what he is asking is the maximum height reached after the bounce. So in this case, what will be the maximum height? What will be the maximum height? So in this situation, if you see, let the body is projected with the velocity u1, and in this case I will write it is u2. First I will try to find out the relation between u1 and u2, and after that I will calculate maximum height. Try to understand. First I will try to find out the relation between u1 and u2, and after that I will calculate the maximum height. We know that maximum height formula h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. U square sin square theta by 2g. So in the first case I will write h1 is equal to u1 square sin square. What is theta here? 45 degrees by 2g. So we know h1 can be written as u1 square sin square 45. What is sin 45? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So sin square 45 means 1 by 2. So here it is 1 by 2 into 2g. So h1 is equal to u1 square by 4g. So u1 square can be written as h1 is already given, it is 120 into 4g. I got u1 value. u1 is how much? 120 into 4g. But what he is given? He is given that at the time of hitting, the kinetic energy becomes half of its initial kinetic energy. So I will write half m u2 square is equal to, here half of kinetic energy, half m u1 square. Half of m u2 square means in the second case kinetic energy, which is half of the first kinetic energy, half m u1 square. So here half get cancelled, m get cancelled. So you write directly u2 square is equal to u1 square by 2. u2 square is equal to u1 square by 2. What is u1 square here? u1 square already we got 120 into 4g by 2. So here u2 square is equal to 2 2s are, then here 240 into g. We got u2 square. That means at this point we know how much velocity it has. So based on that we have to calculate the maximum height. So theta is also given. So you can calculate h is equal to, I will write h2 is equal to u2 square sin square theta by 2g. So h2 is equal to, what is u2 square? u2 square 240 into g. 240 into g sin square theta. Here 30 is there. So here sin square 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So sin square 30 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So here I will write 1 by 4 into 2g. So g get cancelled. And 4 2s are 8. 8 30s. So h2 is equal to 30 meters. h2 is equal to 30 meters. The answer is here 30 meters. And this question is in JEE Advanced 2018. Again, the same basic concepts. We are thinking it is advanced questions, but in that advanced questions also, if you understood clearly the question, in that every questions maximum concept oriented questions only will come. So here I applied the basic formulas and I got the answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.